I recently spent about 3 hours trying to fix my iPad. The original problem was that 13 gigabytes of data was being taken by Other on my iPad. This is a 32 gigabyte iPad Pro running iOS 14.8. So I just went into general settings and erased all contents and settings from there and did factory reset. But to my dismay, there was no way for me to restore my backups from either iCloud or iTunes because my storage was taken up now. Instead of 13 gigabytes, it became 25 gigabytes of other data. So just by factory resetting it, now my other data had ballooned. When I hooked it up to iTunes, it said the complete opposite. It said I had like 23 gigabytes of free storage. So there's some type of mismatch between the two. Finally, I was able to fix the issue by doing an update in recovery mode using iTunes. iTunes put the tablet into recovery mode somehow and then updated to iOS 15.4, which was the 15.4 or 15.4.1, which is the most current version. So it jumped from 14.8 to 15.4. So this might be an issue with iOS 14.8 or something. I don't know. Anyways, it was a long ordeal. It took me 3 hours to fix. On top of that, when it was trying to update to 15.4, it hung and froze and was stuck for like 30 minutes. So I had to do a forced shutdown on it and restart the process. And some people might say just let it go, but it wasn't moving at all. Anyways, so that's my story, and you can watch parts of the videos after this of what I was dealing with. So it took me 3 hours to fix this issue. This is all Apple, I believe. They should really test this stuff, I feel. Or maybe it might have been me, but I doubt it. I haven't done anything crazy with this iPad. It's my wife's iPad. This is my wife's old iPad Pro. And today I'll be factory resetting it because right now 13 gigabytes of data has been storage data has been taken by this thing Other. So you can see just system OS 6 system and Other take up almost like 19 of the 32 gigabytes. And so most of her apps are in cloud storage, and you can see over apps it's roughly around 8 gigabytes of apps, but everything else is this Other. So I'm going to try to factory reset it. That involves first backing it up. I don't have iCloud storage because I'm cheap. I mean, I do have it, but I don't have enough to back up this 32 gigabyte. So I'm going to go onto iTunes over here. Go onto iTunes and back it up, and then factory reset it. So that's the first step. Finished backing up. That was pretty quick. Now going back to the iPad, I'm going to go to General. I went into Settings. General, scroll down, reset. Let's do erase all contents and settings. I don't know why my wife is using Chinese and Japanese keyboard. I'm just going to continue. Here's now. Put in my passcode. Erase. It keeps on asking me erase, and I have to put it's now asking me for my Apple ID password. I guess I'll never be able to reset this. It's crazy. After I factory reset and tried to restore, the backup failed, and it's saying it's using 25 gigabytes for the other stuff. This is literally super lame. I can't update the iPad. I can't do anything because of this. There's no way to wipe that out. So I'm gonna factory erase it one more time. I just factory reset this iPad using general reset, erase all contents and settings, and you know what? If I go to iPad storage, it's showing that it's completely full. This is very frustrating. 23 gigabytes of other. So if anyone has had this problem, please do let me know. This is my last resort now. I'm going to hook it up to iTunes and do a restore. Let's see how that works. So what can I do? This is showing the wrong storage on the iPad or the right storage. This is showing that there's no storage. Over here it's showing there's plenty of storage, 28 gigabytes free. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to update the iPad if I can, if it lets me. Let's see if that fixes the problem. I don't think this is going to work just because the storage is full. I believe the final solution, if there is a solution, is to put it into DFU or recovery mode and do this software update through iTunes. So it just started. It says this right now. But if it's able to restore it, that's great. I just want a working iPad. Right now, it's not working. You can see it's doing that now. And up here, it's saying, was waiting for iPad, now verifying iPad update with Apple. Verifying iPad software. So let's hopefully this works. It's been 5 minutes. I don't feel like waiting 10 minutes and it's just stuck here. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna power this baby off. If it doesn't power off, I need to press the home button too. So I'm gonna press the home button to shut off. Yeah, of course it didn't update, buddy. You didn't do anything. I just hate this. Yeah, update it, man. Just update this crap. Even though it's saying updating the software, it's finally moving after I powered it off and powered it back on. You can see this thing's finally moving. But it only took like 5 minutes for it to get to this point, unlike the other one where I had it for like half an hour. So, it seems to be working now. And it's in iTunes put it into recovery mode. Let me go into settings and I will go to general iPad storage. So the thing that I'm worried about is storage. It's at 12 gigabytes, that's normal, and then there's no weird crazy system data that's at 13 gigabytes. Not this time. So I think we're back in action. Hopefully my wife can use the iPad now. So I started this around, I think 10 o'clock. I'm not sure. I'll have to check.